So one question that has come up from the things that you say is, so when you were talking about your fire feature and everything, don't worry about the amount of gas you're using and just basically consume and
believe in the universe's ability to supply desire.
So
that's so big. You've got a choice. You can believe in shortage or you can believe in abundance. Take your pick. But you can't do both.
Right. And I believe in abundance.
Next.
One thing I guess I struggle with so much. I mean, we have oceans that have islands of plastic in them, and how do you continue to consume everything because the world is abundant, and then watch?
By understanding that when, as an individual or as a mass consciousness, when you create or see a problem, simultaneously you see or create a solution. So the physical environment, the universe, expands through the very thing that you think you're wanting to avoid. If you believe that things as they are will always and only be what is, then we can understand how you could support your belief in the shortage of something, because you say there's only this much that we've found. It's a finite amount of something, and if we are irresponsibly utilizing it, squandering it, wasting it, then it could be in short supply. But when you apply the greater laws of the universe and you acknowledge that when something seems in short supply, that then desires to either find more of it or desires to replace it with something more effective are born. And so new industries are literally born out of those kinds of things. Look at the short period of time that you can look back at the things that are driving this world, from coal to steam to jet fuel to nuclear to solar. You're discovering things because life causes you to desire something that you don't know how or when or where or who. But if the desire is there, then the means to receive it must be shown to you, and that's what you live for. You live for the desire or the question that has no answer, because the answer coming is the thrill of life. So wouldn't it just be really a kick in the pants if all of that waste that you're worried about is the future fuel of the world?
That would be amazing. I think it shall be.
It's not far-fetched.
No, it's not.
Within everything there is something. That's really profound. You may write that down.
Thank you. I think that
we appreciated your point. We appreciated your vantage point. And we really appreciate the conversation.
I appreciate you clearing up my doubts.
We just want you to answer these questions from the standpoint of your inner being. Do you believe in infinity or finite? Do you believe in forever or temporary? Do you believe in more or less? Do you believe in abundance or absence of abundance? Do you believe in energy or nothingness? Do you believe in something or nothing? And the wonderful thing is that every time someone gets focused upon the absence of something that they want, you know what happens? They create the presence of it. And sometimes future generations have to be born to discover it, because the person who has focused upon the absence of it won't let themselves believe in the presence of it. But new ones are born who haven't practiced the absence of it, and they show up and they say, well, looky there. Looky there. Yeah.